Hello guys, and this is my first video, yay! And in this video, I'm playing OG Monkey Horror Run. So yeah guys, let's go. So here is the run. So yeah guys, let's go.
Smile's back, guys!
Holy shit! I'm only joined. Pablo.
Guy in a goddamn fire. Get your tiny ass down here.
Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh my gosh, I'm only 20. Oh my gosh! Nah. Where's the monster? I'm scared.
I don't know.
Charlie's like a melodies in my head.
I'm here with you. But I'm not even using flight right now.
Holy shit! Oh my god, they jump scare. This literally jump scare.
Red, where are you?
What is that? What is that? It's a Smiler. It's Smiler. It's Smiler. Yeah, Smiler is here. Smiler. Smiler is here. Smiler. Here is Smiler, guys.
I'm a TikToker. With 2 followers. Y'all better fucking follow to me. My TikTok is
Right now it's
Oh.
I find Smiler. He's coming. This is my first time I find Smiler in OG Monkey Horror. Actually, holy shit! Oh my god!
Never mind.
Oh yeah.
Even when I run, I cannot have You're safe here. It's coming. Oh. I'm the main monster. Maybe not.
I'm scared.
I'm the main
He's coming! He's coming! He's coming! He's coming! Go back!
He's coming.
Go back!
What you use them?
CLD. Maybe not. Official plan. CLD official plan.
No. I'm scared.
Wait.
You're gonna be my third.
Guys, it's safe. Come on. It's safe.
Low. It's like 4 minutes long. Well, it's 4 minutes long. Yeah, Smiler event. No wonder why it's down. Is this the only map that had an event like this? Me without mods, guys.
Yo. I think he's here.
He's coming.
He's coming! No. Please don't go for me. Oh my god!
down here. Wait, he's gone. Wait, this is a round back to spawn.
Yeah.
Go, Smiler here. Smiler, I like you so much. Here, please. Smiler, please. Please, I like you so much. I like you so much.
Smeller, where you at?
Please. No, please. Smiler. Don't do that. Smiler. So yeah guys, this is everything. And so like and subscribe and join my Discord server on my YouTube profile. So yeah guys, bye.